Tired of eating the same old basic chicken Caesar salad wrap? Well, look no further because today on Cooking with Tammy, I am going to show you how to make a delicious chicken Caesar wrap. It's going to be so good, it's going to be amplified. So with all of that being said, let's introduce these ingredients and get to cooking. First on up is our seasoned smoked pulled chicken. So delicious. In case you're wondering, I got this from Costco's, and let me tell you something. It makes the ultimate difference when it comes to making your Caesar chicken wrap. We also have our large flour tortillas along with our romaine lettuce, grated parmesan cheese. We have two Caesar salad dressings in the house today. We have our creamy Caesar along with our deluxe bold Caesar dressing as well. We're going to be using cheese and garlic croutons along with our crispy jalapeno bits. We're also going to be incorporating our bacon cheddar crisp. So, all of that being said, let's get to cooking. First thing you want to do is add your delicious chicken to a bowl. I'm going to get in there and break the pieces up just a little bit more because I want it to be a little bit more bite-sized. And of course, if you want to make your chicken at home, all you have to do is either use chicken thighs, chicken breast, season it up really good, place it in the oven or on the skillet over the stovetop, sear it or bake it really, really good. Once you're done, allow the chicken to cool on down, and all you have to do is break it apart and shred it, and guess what? You have perfectly seasoned chicken. At this time, we're going to add our lettuce to the bowl as well. Don't be afraid to add the lettuce. When you add the lettuce, it may appear to look like a lot, but once you get to mixing and combining all of the other ingredients, you're going to realize it's not as much lettuce as you thought it was. Let's add our grated parmesan cheese. You can definitely use freshly grated parmesan cheese for this recipe as well. Either way, it's going to be delicious. We're also going to use our croutons, and let me tell you, croutons come in so many different variations. However, for this particular recipe, I'm going to use cheese and garlic croutons, which I find to be really complimentary. But as I said, you can find honey buttered croutons, it's so many different ones out there, trust me. To step the flavors up even more and to get that little hint and that little kick of spice, I'm going to add some dried jalapenos as well. And keep in mind, this recipe is absolutely customizable. If you're a person that don't like a lot of spice, you can do two things. Either keep the jalapenos out or just add a small amount. Same thing applies for every other ingredient that I'm using. Along with our cheddar bacon crisp. Take a close look. As you can see, you have the fried cheese going on with the little bacon bits inside of it. Oh my goodness. Those little bacon bits are something else, guys. Just in case you're assuming and wondering if that's all the cheddar bacon crisp that came in the bag, no, I've been munching on them prior to the video. Let that be our little secret. Don't tell nobody. Our salad is looking a little bit dry, so let's introduce some of our delicious creamy Caesar dressing. Add as much as you prefer, and we're also going to hit it off with some of our deluxe bold Caesar dressing as well. Once we're done, we're going to reach for our tongs and we're going to get to mixing. Mix it on up really, really good. Pull the chicken from the bottom, bring it to the top. Make sure everything is well combined. Once we're done, we're going to reach for our skillet. Turn that flame on low, add a little oil to our skillet. And of course, we're going to add our tortillas. Heat them up just a little bit. I find that when you heat the tortillas up, it makes it so much easier to bend the tortillas in the direction in which you want to bend it without having to deal with them breaking while you're trying to wrap your tortilla. We're going to take some of our delicious chicken Caesar salad and we're going to add it to our tortilla. We're not going to add it towards the center, but we're going to add it more towards the outskirts, if that makes sense, just like what I'm doing. Add a good amount. Once you're done, you're going to fold it on over. Grab the two sides and fold those bad boys on over as well. And we are going to get to wrapping just like this. So easy, so simple. Nothing complicated. Like I said, the trick is to definitely make sure those flour tortillas are nice and warm. It's so nice, we're about to do it twice. We're going to do it again. Add enough filling. Bring the flap on over. Grab those two side corners. Bring it on in. Once everything is tightly secured, we're going to get to wrapping, and that's it. We're going to get a knife and we're going to cut into our chicken Caesar wraps. Check it on out, absolutely beautiful. And guess what? It took literally no time to put together. And yep, that's it. As always, I'm your girl cooking with Tammy, and I will definitely catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.